Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create smart computer groups in Jamf Pro. Navigate to Computers, Smart Computer Groups. Click New in the top right. Let's practice good naming conventions and give our new smart group a name that makes it easy to identify. For this example, I'm looking for computers in our Minneapolis office that haven't reported their status to Jamf Pro for over 2 weeks. So I'm naming mine Overdue Computers-Minneapolis. Next, click the Criteria tab. The Criteria tab is where we set up the logic for this group's membership. Click Add in the top right to show a list of commonly used criteria. Let's find Last Inventory Update. If you don't see it listed here, click Show Advanced Criteria to expand the criteria list. Once found, click Choose to add this criteria to the group. Use the pop-up menu to change the operator to more than X days ago. We can now set the value of X in the Value field. I'm using 14, so any computer that hasn't done an inventory update with Jamf Pro in more than 2 weeks will be part of this group. Next, let's click Add again, find Building in the criteria list, and click Choose. This adds a second criteria to our group. In the Value field, we could type Minneapolis, but instead, let's click the ellipsis next to the field. This will display a list of the buildings previously configured in the Jamf Pro server, so you might see something different here. I'm going to find Minneapolis and click Choose. On the left, we can change the logic joining these two criteria. This is an important distinction that can vastly change the reported membership of a group. If we wanted to find computers that fit either of these criteria, we can change it to OR. But because I want to find computers that meet both of these criteria, I'm leaving this set to AND. Click Save, and that's it. We can view the membership of this group by clicking View in the bottom right. We can also click the Show in Jamf Pro Dashboard checkbox so this group and its current membership count become visible on our dashboard. This way, we can see this information right when we log in. Remember that Smart Group membership is dynamic. Computers are automatically added or removed from the smart group based on that group's specific criteria. Thanks for watching.